Welcome to the ClubCast podcasting platform for clubs, schools, organizations. My name is Adam. We built this product for making podcasting extremely simple if you're managing or running a club, a school, or an organization. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the platform. So when you log in, the first thing that you're going to come to is the choice of which club you want to join. In case you have multiple clubs, you will have different members belonging to different clubs. So you're going to want to keep them separate. You're going to have different administrators and people who help run the club. You're going to want to keep those separated. So each club gets its own space. So here, our pilot program with the Teen Center in Santa Fe, Boys and Girls Club. I'm going to jump into that club. And the first screen is just a quick overview of how many podcast shows, how many episodes they've done, how many members have joined the podcasting club group, and then their own little website that this platform automatically builds a website to host, display, and show all your podcasts. So we can jump, it loads up a podcasting page for all your podcasts. Sarah is the CEO of the club. She's been running her own podcast, talking to interesting people who work in the Boys and Girls Club space. And then you can see they're running Healthy Habits, All In, and we've actually done another show as well that's waiting to get uploaded. You'll have some information about your club, how many hosts, how many shows. You'll be able to see all your different shows. So here's all the different podcast shows that are being run so far. And every time they add a new one, it will get added to this space and be nicely organized and kept together. And then lastly, the contact information for the club. So that just opened in a separate page, your landing page. Now, the next tab is where you can manage your members of the club. So you want to add a new member who wants to join the podcasting club. You just click here and you'll be able to add in a new member, give them certain privileges. And that's how easy it is just to add people into your system. Next tab down here, all the different podcasts that you're running. So you have podcasts, they go right here. So if I wanted to start a brand new show, brand new podcast, and I had some co-hosts that I wanted to host with, we would come in here, we'd give our podcast a title, a subtitle, a little summary. We can add curriculums. So curriculums help teach podcasting. We'll give you a lesson plan to help you succeed in creating your podcast. You can set multiple hosts, producers, an email for when it's time to publish. So this is what will be connected to Apple and Spotify and all the rest. A category, subcategory, and podcast logo artwork. It all goes right here. And once you have added your podcast show, it will show up here. And the hosts that you've assigned to that podcast will be the ones that are allowed to participate inside of that show. So here's Sarah's show, and she's been recording, interviewing different people in the Boys and Girls Club world, and how to run a club and all the rest. So here's all that information about her show. And then here on this side, we have the curriculum. So anyone can click on the curriculum and learn how to, set up your roadcaster. So some of the equipment setup, podcasting 101. So let's just take a real quick at how to set up your equipment. And I'm going to start this. And what you do is as you take on a task, you can drag this over to doing and let it go in there. So I'm going to work on this task. I can open up and it gives me a video about it. It gives me information about it. I can watch this video and learn exactly the basics of using this equipment. And it goes through each one of these is a different lesson plan. It only takes about 5 minutes to get through each lesson plan. And you can just watch these videos and it'll take you through getting set up. So that's how neat this curriculum is. We're going to be adding lots of curriculums that really help out in different areas. So there could be interviewing tips and techniques for interviewing and conducting a good interview. There could be editing, specialized editing curriculums, all kinds of curriculums we're really excited to be adding for you soon. So that's going to be a great feature. Next up is recording. You can click here, just like you do a Zoom recording or any other kind of recording. This is for a remote recording. So if your guest is not in the same room as you, they're in another state, you can set one of these recording up, send the guest a link, and be able to record with them. After you're done recording, it goes into your library. So your library is all your published and unpublished podcasts. And so from here, you'll be able to publish them. But if you also record on your computer locally or on some of the podcast equipment in your podcasting studio, you'd be able to click here and upload it, your show, directly into this library. You can also do audiograms from here as well. So you'll be able to turn some of these episodes into audiograms and then use the audiograms on social media accounts and other places that take not only audio, but video and audio. So there's the audiogram. And published podcasts. If these were unpublished, it would say unpublished here, and then you would click it and publish it. So here are the options as well in this little drop-down menu. Edit, unpublished, create audiogram, download your audio if you want to do some editing on your computer or send it to somebody. Now, once it's published, it shows up on your personal page as well. So let's take a look at Sarah's page. So here's Sarah's page for her podcast, and here are her 4 published episodes. So it's season 1, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4. And then here are the audiograms that were created for her podcast as well. So very neat, organized way to run your podcast. After recording, let's see over here, back. So library, we have integrations, so you can integrate like a listen button onto your website. So a listen button would be an example of this. It's connected to Spotify, so anyone can listen to this on Spotify. We can connect Apple, all these other places. You can connect MailChimp if you want to run a newsletter list, Patreon if you want to start earning money from your podcast, Chartable, and Canva to design artwork with. So that's all nicely bundled right in your integrations. Submit Your Podcast is a great place to connect Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, all the places people listen to podcasts. It's a one-click setup, one-time setup, and your podcast will be syndicated to all the places people can listen to podcasts. So very easy. Everything is contained in one simple space. And then you can add your podcast to Apple and Spotify and all those great places. So you can manage, run your podcast from one simple place with lots of different hosts working on lots of different shows. So that's how easy we made it, plus curriculums where you can learn different things like how to set up your equipment or podcasting for beginners. It's all managed right from one easy location. So yeah, that's how easy it is. My name is Adam. Reach out to me here at ClubCast, adam@clubcast.us. Once again, adam@clubcast.us, and I'd be happy to help you get your club set up, started, or if you already are on the platform and want some extra help, please reach out. I'll be here to run lots of workshops throughout the week.